Meaning of dogmatically.
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 Dogmatically. The word dogmatically refers to a manner of asserting one's beliefs or ideas as being absolutely true, without allowing for the possibility of other viewpoints or interpretations. It implies an inflexible adherence to certain principles or doctrines, often with a disregard for evidence or opposing opinions. When someone behaves dogmatically, they may come across as closed-minded or stubborn, unwilling to consider alternative perspectives or possibilities. This can lead to conflicts and hinder progress, as new ideas and innovative approaches are often born from a willingness to challenge established beliefs and embrace diverse perspectives.